Pool pump overheating is one of those annoying problems that can totally mess up your summer vibes, so you gotta handle it right away. Alright, first off, make sure your pool pump has plenty of fresh air around it. Like, don't stuff it into some cramped corner where it can't breathe. Check for any leaves or debris blocking the vents, because that stuff can trap heat and cause your pump to overheat. Also, clean the pump's motor housing regularly to keep dust and dirt from building up. If you notice any weird noises or vibrations, it might be time to check the motor bearings because worn-out bearings make the pump work harder and get hotter. Another tip is to keep an eye on the water flow. If the flow is low, the pump will strain and heat up, so clean out your pool filter and skimmer baskets. Running your pump during the cooler parts of the day can help too, especially if you live somewhere super hot. And lastly, don't ignore those warning signs like the pump shutting off unexpectedly. That's your cue to act before things get worse. One of the biggest mistakes with pool pump overheating is ignoring proper ventilation, which leads to heat buildup. Fix it by clearing space around the pump and removing obstacles. Another common issue is neglecting motor bearing maintenance. Worn bearings cause friction and overheating, so lubricate or replace them regularly. The third mistake is poor water flow due to clogged filters or skimmers, which makes the pump work overtime. Keep those cleaned out to maintain good circulation and keep temps down. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with reliable local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, if you are a contractor, it's a solid way to find new work and grow your business without all the hassle.